a symbol of freedom and power, stands as a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Spanning across continents, various species of these magnificent birds grace our skies, each with their unique traits and habitats. Around the globe, we find these birds of prey making their homes in diverse environments, from the snow-capped peaks of Alaska, where the bald eagle rules its icy domain, to the tropical rainforests of Papua New Guinea, where the harpy eagle reigns supreme. In fact, you'd be hard-pressed to find a corner of the world where these powerful birds don't leave their mark. Yet, beneath this veneer of strength and ubiquity, a more somber reality lurks. Just as with many of Mother Nature's creations, eagles are not immune to the pressures of a rapidly changing world. The status of eagles globally is a topic that demands our attention. Some species are flourishing, while others are teetering on the brink of extinction. What's driving this precarious balance? The factors are numerous and complex. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization, for instance, is a major concern. Eagles, like many large predators, require vast territories to hunt and breed. When these areas shrink or disappear, so does their chance of survival. Then, there's the issue of pollution. Harmful chemicals, including those used in pesticides, can accumulate in the bodies of eagles, leading to serious health problems. Unintentional poisoning and collision with man-made structures are other threats these birds face. And it's not just about the eagles themselves. Their plight mirrors the broader health of our ecosystems. As apex predators, eagles play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. Their decline is a sign that these systems are under strain. But are these powerful creatures truly as secure as they seem? The answer to that question is a complex one, and it's a journey we're about to embark on. Let's delve deeper into the world of eagles, exploring their struggles, their importance, and the efforts being made to ensure their survival. The hard truth is that the eagle, like many species, faces serious risks. Let's delve into the data. The American bald eagle, for example, once teetered on the brink of extinction in the lower 48 states, with less than 500 nesting pairs in the early 1960s. Today, while their numbers have rebounded, there are still threats looming. And it's not just the American bald eagle. Globally, there are around 60 species of eagles, and a significant number of these are on the decline. The majestic Philippine eagle, one of the world's largest and most powerful birds, is critically endangered with less than 400 left in the wild. The imperial eagle, once widespread across southern Europe, North Africa, and Asia, is now considered vulnerable due to rapid population decline. The question is, why is this happening? The answer is multifaceted, but the primary drivers are habitat destruction, hunting, and climate change. Habitat destruction is a major concern. As forests are cleared for agriculture and urban development, eagles lose their homes and hunting grounds. No trees mean no nests, and no prey means no food. Hunting, both legal and illegal, is another significant threat. Some are hunted for sport, others for their feathers, which are used in traditional ceremonies or sold on the black market. And then there's climate change. Rising temperatures affect the eagles' habitats, forcing them to migrate to cooler areas. This often results in competition for resources, and not all species can adapt fast enough to survive. Each of these factors individually is damaging, but collectively, they create a perilous situation for these magnificent birds. In the grand scheme of things, we may think that the decline of one species may not be that significant, but when we consider the interconnectedness of all life, the ripple effects of the loss of a top predator like the eagle can have far-reaching impacts on the ecosystem as a whole. These numbers paint a stark picture, don't they? You might ask, why does it matter if eagles disappear? Well, let's delve into that. Eagles play a vital role in their ecosystems, serving as apex predators. This means they sit at the top of the food chain, and their hunting activities help to control the populations of smaller animals and fish. By keeping these populations in check, eagles prevent overgrazing and overpopulation, which can lead to habitat degradation. But it's not just about hunting. Eagles also act as scavengers, cleaning up the environment by consuming carrion, that is, the bodies of dead animals. This scavenging behavior helps to prevent the spread of disease and contributes to a healthier ecosystem overall. Now, imagine a world without eagles. Without these predators to keep things in check, we could see an explosion in the populations of certain species, leading to an imbalance in the food chain. This could disrupt ecosystems and potentially cause the extinction of other species. Moreover, the disappearance of eagles could have tangible effects for us humans too. Many people don't realize that the health of bird populations is often a barometer for the health of our environment. If eagles are declining, it could be a sign that our ecosystems are in trouble, possibly due to factors like pollution, climate change, or habitat loss. Furthermore, eagles hold cultural and spiritual significance for many communities around the world. They symbolize freedom, strength, and majesty, and their decline could represent a loss of these values. And let's not forget their economic value. Birdwatching is a popular pastime and a significant source of tourism revenue in many places. The loss of eagles could mean a loss of income for many communities. So, you see, the survival of the eagle is not just about preserving a single species, it's about maintaining the balance of our ecosystems, protecting our cultural heritage, and safeguarding our environment for future generations. The survival of the eagle is a matter of balance for the entire ecosystem. The good news is, the fight to save the eagles is far from over. Conservationists, researchers, and nature enthusiasts across the globe are relentlessly working to ensure the survival of these majestic birds. One of the key protective measures in place is legal protection. Laws like the Bald and Golden Eagle Protection Act in the United States have played a significant role in safeguarding these birds from harm. Such laws prohibit the killing, selling, or possession of eagles and impose severe penalties for violations. This has indeed been a game-changer in the fight against the illegal hunting of eagles. In addition to legal protection, habitat restoration projects are also making strides in the right direction. Efforts are being made to restore and preserve the natural habitats of the eagles. This includes reforestation, cleaning up water bodies, and maintaining the ecological balance of their surroundings. The restoration of the Channel Islands in California, for example, has seen a remarkable resurgence in the population of bald eagles. Another noteworthy effort is captive breeding programs, which have been instrumental in increasing the numbers of endangered eagle species. The Philippine Eagle Foundation has been successful in the captive breeding of the critically endangered Philippine eagles, releasing a number of these majestic birds back into the wild. The impact of these concerted efforts is evident in the increasing numbers of eagle populations. The bald eagle, for instance, was on the brink of extinction in the lower 48 states in the 1960s, but has since rebounded to over 10,000 nesting pairs today. It is through these collective actions that we are able to tip the scales in favor of these magnificent creatures. The fight for their survival is a testament to what we can achieve when we come together for a common cause. The story of the eagles is not just about them, but also about us and our ability to coexist with nature. With the right actions, we can make a difference. But what can we, as individuals, do to help the eagles? Well, there's a lot we can do, and it all starts with understanding that every action counts. No effort is too small when it comes to conservation. Firstly, we can support organizations that are dedicated to the protection and conservation of eagles. These groups work tirelessly to ensure these majestic creatures can continue to soar high in the skies. They conduct research, rehabilitate injured eagles, and work towards preserving their habitats. By donating, volunteering, or even spreading the word about their work, we can help these organizations make a difference. Secondly, we can reduce waste and pollution. Believe it or not, our everyday choices can have a huge impact on the environment and consequently, on the eagles. By choosing to recycle, reduce our consumption of single-use plastics and other non-biodegradable materials, and being mindful of our energy use, we can decrease the amount of pollution that harms eagles and their habitats. Let's not forget about advocating for stronger environmental protections. That might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. It could be as simple as signing a petition, writing to your local representative, or using your vote to support politicians and policies that prioritize environmental conservation. And finally, education is key. Learn about eagles, their behaviors, their habitats, and the threats they face. Share this knowledge with others. The more people understand about these magnificent birds, the more they'll be inclined to help. Every action, no matter how small it seems, can contribute to a larger impact. It's like a ripple effect. One person's actions might inspire another, and before you know it, we've created a wave of change. So let's not underestimate our power as individuals. Every choice we make, every action we take can help ensure that eagles continue to grace our skies for generations to come. Remember, every action counts when it comes